Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you one of the best adapters you can get to code your BMW. Alright y'all, so here we go really quick. This is going to be a quick and easy video today. What I really wanted to do was share this new adapter from Kies. I am really excited to get this because this is going to make a lot of what I do, even on a day-to-day basis, faster and easier here in my car. And I wanted to share that with you. Now, if you've seen my video on using like BimmerCode, which you can use to change the options on your car, like your display startup and even things like active sound design and all the like, if you haven't, go check that out. Same thing for like boot mod, where you can use to change the code, the actual tune in your car, which I'm a huge fan of, and I've got great videos out on that as well. And so I'm not going to deep dive into that, but what we really want to talk about today is this adapter from Kies. Now, like my BimmerCode video, I'm actually using an older Bluetooth dongle into my OBD. It is painfully slow, just unbelievably slow. When you tell it to scan your car and have it to read all your ECUs, it takes, I don't know, can take over a minute, sometimes 2 minutes to actually return all the information. Every time you drill in and open up one of your ECUs, so you're changing it, like how your seats move or your halos, all those sort of things, it takes minutes to get it done. Well, this is not Bluetooth, this is wireless. So when you plug this in, now, if you notice when you get it, you're going to have your actual wireless ID and your password on the back. So if you wonder what it is, it's right here on the back of it. So make sure to note that before you plug it in, because then you're like, oh, you got to unplug it to see what your password is, right? So make sure to check that out. I highly recommend this. Now, the other really big and cool thing about this is this being wireless, is that if you're using boot mod. Now, for those of us who have run boot mod and tuned your car, you know, I've used my laptop a ton of times. I've used my laptop for logging when I'm like on the dyno and I'm in different places where I've got a cable running across my steering wheel, sitting in my laptop over in the passenger seat. And, you know, if you're out on the road, that can be dangerous. If not, it can be a hassle. You could potentially kick that cable. And I don't know about you, but I am always worried about unplugging my car, or unplugging that cable while I'm in the middle of an actual flash of the tune on my car. It's always been a big worry for me. So being able to do it all wireless, do it straight off your phone, you can do logging as you run around and it's not a problem. You just fire up boot mod, connect to the adapter, you can put all the logs you need. So if you're out on the road and suddenly you just, you need logging, which I've had happen before, where maybe something's not running quite right, or I'm trying to understand what my car is doing and I immediately pull logs. So this is such a great adapter to do this. I highly recommend it. Now, everything you need and everything I'm talking to in the other videos, so you can check out BimmerCode and boot mod and so on, will all be listed in the video description below. But my goal today was really to show this adapter, because if you don't know about it, you should. The one other hint I am going to give is that if you're using BimmerCode, and for me, I switched from Bluetooth to wireless, and I had to figure out which adapter to use. Now, the adapter that it has the correct communication layer on it, if you're using BimmerCode, is the MHD black adapter. So when you go into your settings, pick the MHD black. Now, for boot mod, it's just looking for this connection. It finds it through wireless. You can tell it when it identifies your VIN. When you fire up boot mod, you just log in and then you have everything you need. Your custom tunes, your off-the-shelf tunes, your logging, everything that you need to get done what you need to get done. So, hey, huge shout out for Kies Motorsports for making this adapter. It is really, really good. I highly recommend it. So please make sure to check it out. It's listed in the video description below. All right, thanks everybody. I really appreciate it. I have so much content coming out, your head's going to explode. You're not going to believe it. So make sure to check it out, and I'll see you on my next video.